Hello everyone and welcome to the HLG channel. Today we're focusing on risk management and hemp distribution, one of the most crucial aspects of building a stable and compliant hemp business. If you're involved in hemp distribution or retail sales here in Tennessee, managing risk is essential to avoid regulatory issues, financial loss, and reputation damage. Tennessee's new permanent hemp rules set to go into effect on December 26, 2024. Introduce more stringent requirements around compliance, and the ability to navigate these changes will be critical for your business. In this session, we'll cover 1, the primary risk associated with hemp distribution and retail sales. 2, Tennessee-specific compliance considerations under the new permanent rules. And 3, best practices for building a proactive risk management strategy. All right, let's start with an overview of the main risk involved in hemp distribution. The hemp industry comes with unique distribution challenges due to complex regulations, public perceptions, and product variability. Here are some key risks that hemp businesses should address. 1, compliance risks. Failing to meet regulatory standards, especially with THC concentration limits and labeling, can lead to product seizures, fines, and even business closures. In Tennessee, products cannot exceed 0.3% total THC for retail and must meet the specific testing and labeling requirements under state law. 2, product quality risks. Product quality issues such as contamination with heavy metals or pesticides can result in product recalls, harm to customers, and legal liability. Tennessee requires that all products to undergo full panel testing, and failure to meet these standards is a major risk. Now, 3, reputational risks. Non-compliance with industry standards or having a single product recall can damage your reputation. As the hemp industry grows, consumers and regulators are becoming more attentive to quality and transparency. 4, financial and operational risks. From distribution delays to handling inventory that doesn't meet the legal standards, these risks can have direct financial consequences. Unsold or recalled products, for instance, result in lost revenue and wasted resources. Identifying these risks is the first step towards building a proactive risk management approach in hemp distribution. Now, under Tennessee's permanent hemp rules, hemp distributors and retailers must adhere to strict compliance standards. Here's how you can mitigate key compliance risks. 1, THC testing and certificates of analysis, or COAs. Tennessee's permanent rules mandate full panel testing for all hemp products, which means each batch must be tested for THC levels, contaminants, and safety before reaching consumers. To mitigate this risk, ensure every product has an up-to-date COA from a certified third-party lab. The COA should indicate total THC levels of 0.3% THC or below for retail products. And a quick tip, incorporate routine testing at multiple stages of the supply chain, from raw materials to final products, to catch issues before they become a compliance risk. 2, detailed record keeping. Tennessee requires businesses to maintain thorough records for each product, including testing results, distribution records, and purchase logs. If an inspection occurs, having organized, accessible records will be crucial. Risk mitigation here means building a systematic record-keeping process to ensure all COAs, product records, and compliance forms are updated, accurate, and easily retrievable. Now, 3, compliant packaging and labeling. The new rules also have extensive packaging and labeling requirements, particularly for edibles and other consumable products, which must include nutritional fact panels, allergen information, and serving sizes. Ensure that each product's packaging is child-resistant, includes clear cannabinoid content labeling, and has a QR code linking to the COAs. Now, here's another tip. Regularly review your packaging and labeling against Tennessee guidelines, and audit your products to ensure consistency and labeling across batches. Proactive risk management is also about building strategies and systems to catch potential issues before they escalate. Here are some best practices tailored for the Tennessee hemp industry. 1, implement a quality assurance program. Create a quality assurance or QA team dedicated to monitoring product quality at every stage, from sourcing raw materials to distribution. Set up routine inspections and batch testing to ensure products meet state standards and are free of contaminants. Another tip, conduct internal audits every quarter to review compliance, identify potential risks, and improve processes based on audit findings. 2, develop a comprehensive recall plan. Despite your best efforts, product recalls can still happen. Having a recall plan in place can help minimize damage if a product needs to be pulled. And your recall plan should include steps for communicating with customers, collecting recalled products, and ensuring all involved batches are tracked and removed from circulation. Another tip, notify your insurance provider immediately if a recall occurs to mitigate financial losses and expedite any potential claims. Number 3, secure product liability insurance. Product liability insurance is essential in the hemp industry to cover financial losses in case of product defects, quality issues, or other incidents. Review your insurance coverage annually to ensure it aligns with changes in Tennessee's regulatory landscape and any new products or services you introduce. That's important. Now, number 4, establish clear supplier agreements. For distributors, working with reputable suppliers is key to reducing the risk of sourcing non-compliant or poor quality products. Set up a supplier agreement that includes strict quality control standards and testing requirements. Include clauses that require suppliers to provide the COAs and batch records for every shipment, as well as a warranty on quality and compliance. Tip: conduct periodic supplier audits to verify compliance and build strong relationships with the suppliers who meet Tennessee quality standards. Number 5, employee training on compliance and quality control. Also very important, train all your employees involved in distribution, handling, and retail on the compliance standards, COA verification, and product quality guidelines. Well-trained employees can help catch issues before they affect distribution. Regular training sessions on Tennessee hemp regulations will ensure everyone is aware of the latest standards and requirements. Another tip, make compliance training an ongoing part of onboarding for new employees, and conduct refreshers for existing staff annually. A proactive approach with QA programs, recall plans, liability insurance, supplier agreements, and employee training is essential for minimizing distribution risk. The hemp industry is constantly evolving, as you know, and regulations change frequently. Staying ahead of these changes is key to ongoing compliance and effective risk management. All right, guys, to wrap up, risk management in hemp distribution involves understanding the regulatory landscape, implementing strong compliance practices, and staying ahead of potential changes. By building a proactive system, such as quality assurance programs, recall plans, regular compliance training, your business can effectively manage distribution risk and maintain a solid reputation. If you have questions about risk management or need assistance navigating Tennessee hemp regulations, please reach out to us at Hemp Law Group. We're here to support your business and help you build risk-resilient operation. Thank you for joining us, and stay compliant and proactive.